What's up, y'all? It's your boy Roddy. I'm a future welder. Yo, time to get this practice in, boy.
Yes, sir.
Damn, okay. Nice, bro. Yes, sir. Alright, this is the before. About to see the after. We got Mike next up to that. Alright, we got Kenzie right here. Okay. Alright, Trinity Bike Kenzie. We got Mike. We got Welding Mike actually. We got Welding Jacob. He said he's about to send it. Alright. Out of wire? Oh man, alright, we're out of wire, yo.
You gotta hold that tight, bud.
Alright, so I got Welding Mike in the building. He's gonna teach me how to spool a welding gun. Step-by-step instructions right here. Yes, sir. So, step 1, get some pliers. Step 2, change the music. I don't know what the frick is playing. I gotta change this up a little bit. Ah, that's a little better. Okay, putting the gun in there. Alright. So you put the spool in there with the wire in there, lock it in place, and that's it? No way, is that simple? Oh my goodness. It's more simpler than I ever imagined. Ken, you got anything to say, bro? We got Kenji next up to bat. Does they? Okay. Gaza life. Alright, we're gonna do a quick before and after. Alright. Ruled by Kenji right here. Unruly Kenji actually. The one and only. The unruly one. Alright. Show him what you got, boy. Show him what you got. That's a good weld. I can already tell just from watching it. Oh, nice. Hell yeah. Damn. Hell yeah. Clean, boy. Sheesh. Perfect.
Welder.
Damn, boy. Okay, I see you. Right up in there, it's gonna. I don't know. I'm gonna see. I don't know. I don't want to do too much talking. I want my welding to talk for itself, you know.
You might need the gun. You might need that.
Alright, let me go. Alright, have a go, boys. That's all.
Did he send it? Did he send it?
I don't know. Hey, comment down below. Let me know if I sent it or not, yo. Let me know. I'll let you guys be the judge. I'll let you guys be the judge. Hey, trust me, I've seen a lot worse. Clean.
You see the I'ma just send it, man.
Send it. Don't throw away. I'ma just send it. That's it. Yo, hey, if you want to see more videos like this, comment down below. Let us know. We got Welding Mike in the building. We got myself, Pawn Stars. We got Unruly Kenzie right here.
He's only fucking
you know, flip it back, Unruly. Alright, yo, we got Mike back up in the building. He's out here putting in work, staying late hours, yo. We get out at 4 o'clock. It's like about 6 o'clock right now. He's still in here. Yo, Kenzie, yo, check this out. Check out this weld he's in. That boy Mike said he's not playing games no more. That middle weld. That boy is not playing for the overhead. Oh my goodness.
Is that how you said to do it?
No, I didn't see it.
Hey, that's
Fucking awesome.
bro, that is not bad at all.
Better not.
Oh my goodness, bro, for your first attempt.
Oh God,
That
man. Oh God, man.
good.
that is
really good,
that's
bro.
actually really good, bro. That's good. Damn, okay, boy, Mike, first time, bro. How you feel? He's like good.
Alright, Mike,